Introduction. FM and AM are two common methods used for radio broadcasting, each with its own characteristics and applications. In this exploration, we unravel the world of radio broadcasting, shedding light on the differences between FM and AM, how they work, and their significance in transmitting audio signals. FM, frequency modulation. Frequency modulation, commonly known as FM, is a method of broadcasting that involves varying the frequency of the carrier wave in response to the audio signal. The audio signal's strength remains constant, while the frequency changes. FM radio stations provide high-fidelity sound quality, making it ideal for music transmission. FM signals also have better resistance to interference, resulting in clearer reception. AM, amplitude modulation. Amplitude modulation, or AM, is another widely used method in radio broadcasting. It involves varying the amplitude of the carrier wave in response to the audio signal. Unlike FM, the frequency of the carrier wave remains constant, while the amplitude varies. AM radio stations are typically used for news, talk shows, and other speech-based broadcasts. AM signals are more susceptible to noise and interference, leading to reduced sound quality compared to FM. Differences in signal transmission. The primary difference between FM and AM lies in how the audio signal is transmitted. In FM, the audio signal alters the carrier wave's frequency, allowing for a wider range of frequencies to be transmitted. This results in higher sound quality and resistance to interference. In AM, the audio signal affects the carrier wave's amplitude, making it suitable for speech-based broadcasts but more prone to noise and distortion. Signal coverage. FM signals are generally limited to shorter distances due to the higher frequencies used and the Earth's curvature. They are commonly used for local radio stations. AM signals, on the other hand, have lower frequencies, allowing them to travel longer distances via skywave propagation. This makes AM suitable for reaching larger geographical areas. Uses in broadcasting. FM radio is popular for music-oriented broadcasts, as the high-fidelity sound reproduction ensures a better listening experience. It is commonly used for music stations, where audio quality is of utmost importance. AM radio, with its longer transmission range, is often chosen for news, talk shows, and sports broadcasts, where reaching a broader audience is the priority. Equipment and technology. Both FM and AM broadcasting require specialized equipment. FM transmitters and receivers utilize frequency modulation technology, where the carrier wave's frequency is varied based on the audio signal. AM transmitters and receivers, on the other hand, use amplitude modulation, which alters the carrier wave's amplitude to transmit the audio signal. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages of FM. The primary advantages of FM include higher sound quality, resistance to interference, and a wide frequency range. FM signals provide a clearer reception, especially in areas with high electromagnetic interference. The wider frequency range also allows for a broader selection of music and audio content. Disadvantages of FM. FM broadcasting has a limited coverage area due to the higher frequencies used. FM signals can also be affected by physical barriers, such as buildings and terrain. Additionally, FM broadcasting requires more complex equipment and is generally more expensive to implement compared to AM broadcasting. Advantages of AM. AM broadcasting's primary advantage lies in its longer transmission range, allowing for broader coverage. AM signals can travel via skywave propagation, bouncing off the Earth's ionosphere and reaching distant locations. AM technology is simpler and less expensive compared to FM. Disadvantages of AM. AM has lower sound quality compared to FM, as it is more susceptible to noise, interference, and signal distortion. The limited frequency range of AM signals also limits the type of content that can be transmitted effectively. Conclusion. FM and AM are two distinct methods used in radio broadcasting, each with its own characteristics and applications. FM offers high sound quality and resistance to interference, making it ideal for music-oriented broadcasts. AM, with its longer transmission range, is more suitable for speech-based broadcasts and reaching wider audiences. Understanding the differences between FM and AM, along with their advantages and disadvantages, is essential for broadcasters and listeners alike.